Welcome to Natural Healthy Cooking. Come, let's learn to make food a medicine. We are presenting today the refreshingly nutritious Strawberries Milkshake for sharp brain, healthy heart, and for diabetic management. You can get more healthy recipes by subscribing our channel Natural Healthy Cooking. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. The ingredients are strawberries 80 grams, coconut 150 grams, honey 2 teaspoons, chia seeds 10 grams. Transfer the coconut slices in a jar. Add some water. And blend thoroughly. Take a bowl and strain. That's it. Our coconut milk is ready. Now transfer the strawberry slices into a jar. Add some coconut milk and blend thoroughly. Take a glass and add a couple of teaspoons of chia seeds soaked in water for at least half an hour. Then add strawberry coconut milk in it. Add some honey for taste. That's it. A refreshing summer Nutri drink is ready. Thanks for watching Natural Healthy Cooking.